Welcome to our guide on how to start investing in stocks. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know to begin your investment journey. First things first, let's set some financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your investments? Now, let's explore the different types of stocks, including common versus preferred and growth versus value stocks. Research is key when it comes to selecting stocks. You can use fundamental analysis or technical analysis to make informed decisions. Choosing the right brokerage account is crucial. Let's talk about the different types and features you should consider. Diversifying your portfolio is essential for managing risk. We'll discuss how to create a balanced investment mix. Next, let's develop your investment strategy, focusing on the differences between active and passive investing. Monitoring your investments is key. Knowing when to buy, hold, or sell can significantly impact your success. Staying informed is vital in the investing world. Utilize various resources and commit to ongoing education. Congratulations! You now have the basic knowledge to start your investment journey. Take that first step today.